Yeah, man, you know a sicker pure. You know make the liquor cure. Yeah, man, a up scheme, cerebellum team, representing. You know, real bridging when they're in the front thing. Yeah, man, a them where they go. You know? Say the woman on me yard, oh yeah. Say the woman on me yard, oh yeah. Say the woman on me yard, she a breed. Say the woman on me yard, she a breed. I'm still have 3 kids out of street. All people have to wonder how me do it. They use them higher investment. Say if you not help the youth, it no make sense. You better teach them to rob and jump fence. You better teach them about the recompense. Teach them to humble and patient. Until them try down the patient. And they teach her down the student. You better teach them to wise and prudent. Say the woman on me yard, oh yeah. Yeah man, sick of pure. Yeah, sick of something. Yeah man, I way up, you know, stay up, you know. When we hold on, way up, you know.
Dirty bad mind, when me do your so. Be a negative, you just suck it.
You have to have good matter. Yeah, you have to have good sharp matter.
You can't know that.
Who can know that? We don't need to. Hey, we need to know that. What? No, Mr. Sound was stay for like government telling about social distance. Sound afraid of we? Yeah man, I'm afraid of we now through government. I don't know why. Come nearer to me then. Yeah, when you come nearer to me then, let me tell you no problem I have.
Don't do them say that.
Yeah. Right now, I'm more shoulder, me get the ball pan the better for me, you know. Yeah, because I don't want 1 and 2 shoulder up here near the wall of the what you say? Are you not doing? If you're balling on me, we can't do it. What you mean if you try to play? Right now, I don't want nobody to ball at this. I'm alone, I ball. Yeah, me no need no. Where you ball from? Where you a go ball? Hey. Yeah, me a go and hold the people if you do that.
What kind of people?
No must female only. You can't wipe this.
No, I'm crazy.
Oh. No, sister, they have more ball in more me, you know? Yeah, man, they'll give me a lot. Yeah, man, me alone can't ball for this man them. Yeah, man. Yeah, fuck yourself. Me tear down your from man. Accident. Yeah, don't spite me I do it for accident for real talk, man. Me not hide you, man. Tear down your man and me can't hold it, brother. A good thing me have good company around me.
You see the ball from morning?
Me glad you no come consider that. Make myself possible for that. Because I don't know forward enough. So I try to show off for me, I have to show off from the shirt. Ask brother there. Oh no, hear about no. Yeah, me have catch. Yeah, me have more than one catch. So I don't really have a drop. You understand? Yeah, man. Break down for you, man. I don't hide no, man. Me they are good, me and my friend them a smoke and a drink and a party, good, but me don't know. I go look in my mom's hole one night time and me hear say something whisper to me. And tell me say me go look in my mom's hole. Yeah, you have fix it good for you know. Yeah, me go look in my mom's hole. Yeah, and me get break down me hear something tell me say Bada Cat and now go see another hole again and no one forever. Yes, take a good look. Blood clot there, brother. Take it hour and a half or two if it come back.
Good, that's your wife.
Me glad you just forward and go. Me can't tell you if you no hear. Big man don't cry in the breath. You want me out there? Alright.
At that phrase.
15 minutes
Big man don't cry.
Second people. No excuse here. Yeah, you know, so right there. It's a prayer, man. Send on the direction to the
The public chat coming, we check here.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah, so I just come up on the right road.
Yeah, right. You just come back home and you come on the right track. If you come out, you don't have to go walk.
Yeah, man, we have put man on tourist right.
Yeah, man, I like to go on the mango tree. She have put the best
on everything. Still a kicking up.
Yeah.
Nothing can't do good for man like them time. No.
Female down December, this man dropping our chance. So
Right. Right.
like me tell you,
Never come from. You know where thing go, man. You know where my go to. Yeah. So the whole Christmas you know good. No, you know good. You know.
From September, I know good for general.
Yeah.
No, that's it from August. From I'm fatter than wife.
Watch every video in the cat.
Watch
every video.
No, disrespect.
I should have put up a video.
Release tension, you know.
I'm now watching every day.
Yeah, alright.
Big up Clear Scan and the whole Evanston crew. Big up my friend Django and Dan. Big up yourself. See you true. You done one. I know what I want, man.
Right about
Yeah, man. Right about that today. Big up yourself, Django and Dan and Clear. Clear Scan. That's right.
Yeah, man. Right now, past the
Welcome. You gotta look for a restaurant with that.
No say you're real.
Okay.
No say you're
A
real.
restaurant.
They say that you come to
That's why
Chicago,
it's theory.
just find Clear's
You
Corner.
understand?
It's done.
Because,
Not
trust
cool.
me,
All right.
Yeah,
I
man.
take certain things personal.
Anybody pick
But
up my
me know
airport,
say
tell
this
me I
man
go straight at Evanston and Clear's Corner. And this man have this man a number. So
When the man says, if you want to eat
Yeah,
your
man.
family after
No, I'm thinking I'm going to go back to one for no one this week.
you pay for yourself. You understand?
Yes.
You know when a guy has to say, yeah, do this and you carry over your family and all that.
Yeah. Then if I go eat my family now.
What one is it?
My family, they're part right too.
Of course.
I just want to own the man.
Yeah, we are going to give up your family. Yeah, man, your family, man.
I'm coming. I try to groom them, you know? Yeah, look forward to that.
See, you know,
Howdy, Jizzy.
it's a knowledge to the world, you know.
See what's there.
Live up with your family, brother. Yeah. Can look, you know, me can lose my girlfriend.
Shotty,
Me can lose my
tell them
wife.
to turn down that little for me,
Can
please.
lose my friend, but me
I turn the way down.
My mother have a little saying.
Say,
My mother have a saying.
yeah.
She say finger think you can't
Can't cut
and
your
wash
arm,
away.
No, cut
Try
your
to get
hand.
it better.
You have to
Yeah,
cut
no,
your
you're a
finger.
finger.
Yeah.
But you have to try to cure the finger,
You want to tell me that way, you know.
Remember, good now.
Finger stink, you can't cut your two away. Because your finger, it connects to
Do a
you.
video one
So your
time.
family sick, you can't